Building course curriculum. Let's learn how to build a complete course curriculum with chapters, lessons, videos, and quizzes. Start by selecting a course from the list to get started. Click Edit on any course to open the course editor. This is where you can modify details and really start building. Inside the editor, you'll see the Curriculum Builder, which organizes everything into chapters and lessons. Add chapters to organize your content into logical sections. It keeps things from getting messy. Within each chapter, you can add your lessons. Each lesson can have its own video, quiz questions, and downloadable worksheets. Upload your lesson videos and worksheets here. We support MP4 for video and PDF or text for worksheets, obviously. Your curriculum is coming together perfectly.